Hello, in front of me I've got BMW F40. In this video I'll tell you about hidden features and best equipment in this car. Hidden features many owners don't know about are Sport Display. In iDrive, this function shows real-time power torque output, gesture control, if equipped for volume and media. BMW Digital Key that lets you unlock the car with your smartphone. Hidden service menu, accessed via odometer reset button, and the best equipment options are Harman Kardon sound system, head-up display in some trims, adaptive LED lights, and parking assistant plus with 360 degrees camera. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.